Associates in Emergency Care has been in operations for 20 plus years. What is often asked is, how do we know, we being the student, how do we know that we are making the correct choice? And so one of the things that I tell our students is that when you take a look at the track record that Associates in Emergency Care has in its 20 plus years of existence, we have a very, very high success rate. We have the highest success rate of any EMS education program in the state of Virginia. I reassure them that that data is hard data. That's not us marketing out to them. We can pull that data directly from the State Office of EMS, and they can see where our numbers stand in relation to the other programs that exist within the state of Virginia. One of the fundamental components that we try to implement along with delivering quality education to the students is the fundamental that this is a career for most of the people that are actively on the educational side of our house, but also for the people who are coming through our programs, whether they already belong to an institution or an agency, a fire department, private transport company, or they're looking to get into a fire department, a private transport agency. They know they want to go and work and do helicopter EMS, and so they're looking for this avenue to get them there. And so some of the feedback that we get, because we have people in all aspects of EMS care, they're able to deliver real life experiences, but also place people into a trajectory, a pathway, so to speak, that allows them to seek out the proper avenues to gain employment, to give them tips, tricks, hints, little things, little nugget, pearls of wisdom, if you will, to get to that next level and not just obtain certification. This is so much more for the people that are employed here, that we know a student going through our programs, they're going to be in the upper 90th percentile to gain certification. That is not a thing for us. We don't worry about students who make it through our programs obtaining certification. Our goal is to put out a quality provider that's going to be a quality patient care advocate for their employer, and most importantly to the community that they serve and to the citizens who they are rendering aid to. That's important to us. And so the employees who have this vast array of backgrounds and experiences, they are able to share those with our students, and so many students have now gone on to work in places where our educators work, and they were able to obtain employment because they came through our programs, and folks who are employed here had the ability to make recommendations and really mentor and not just educate and not just teach, not just instruct, but really mentor these folks in all aspects of gaining the education, obtaining certification, and once complete, gaining employment. And that's also very important for us in the long run. We do like to follow up with our students and see what they're doing. In fact, it's so important to us that we oftentimes hire back former students. And when they come back to teach for us and educate the current young minds that are out there trying to do the things that they were doing, they put a fresh set of eyes from their perspective, but they also had the perspective of their experience. And they've had some time to gain some real life experience, and they come back and say, hey, I would like to take what Associates in Emergency Care already did for myself, and I would like to enhance that. And so we just see this increase, this incremental increase in quality, if you will, of the education that we provide, and some of these steps at mentoring folks to getting to wherever their next level is in their professional life and even in their personal life.